Hello everyone. In today's video we are continuing to look at the gold, and we're gonna talk a little bit about the previous trades that we took in the previous videos. So if you guys haven't checked out our previous videos, you can go ahead and check them out first, and you can come back to this one. But basically we're gonna be talking why we took those trades. This is basically the movement we catch. You see, it's a beautiful bearish movement. We were actually able to get a few trades out of this movement. It was a really profitable trend for us. But now we're gonna be looking of going long, and we are waiting. We are on a daily chart, but let's talk a little bit about the previous trades we took and why we took them. As you can see here, we had divergence. So this is one of the reasons we decided to go short on the gold. And also on this movement there was a bearish candle that was engulfing, and also what we trade was breakout of a previous bottom. We were using the RSI indicator, as you can see here. So I'm gonna draw just so you can see the divergence. I'm gonna put one on the chart. You can see right here, and now also I'm gonna use another one that I'm gonna draw on the RSI indicator. So basically you can see why we really decided to take this trade. It was a really nice divergence. So you can see the whole time what the price was doing in real time, because we were posting all of our trades that we were making. And it was like I said, a really nice movement. We had a lot of things in our direction. What we like to use, we had our indicator, we had the divergence, engulfing candle, breakout. So that was a lot of confirmation for us to enter the trade. Now there was opportunities there to take some longs, to buy, but we wanted to stick to to the selling. You wanted to go short just this time, but for right now we're not gonna need the RCI indicator anymore. This was from the the previous videos. This is why we took those trades. So basically, as an overview, as I said, now we're gonna be focusing and waiting for confirmation so we can go long. I'm gonna draw here what we like to call like a buffer zone, and you can see where the price touches this zone. So first here it touches the price 3 times. You can see once, twice, and then the third time was almost a breakout, but it couldn't break out of the zone. And the fourth time, actually, that was a pretty nice breakout. After that, the price wasn't really trending. It was more like consolidating, and then you can see how the whole zone become from resistance to a support of the price. Because as you can see, after the break, the price was testing this zone a couple times. So I was once, twice, so three times already, and now we are waiting on the fourth time, and then we can go long the fourth or the fifth time. It depends what the price does, because we are waiting for a confirmation. But as you can see, those zones are really important in our trading strategy, and we always recommend you guys, if you decide to be a trader, you should learn how to use those zones. You should learn how to define the trend. This is basically the A and B in trading, so that helps a lot for confirmation of a trend, or of if there is going to be a reversal, the breakouts, and there is also additional information that we use, as the engulfing candle, as I said, and divergence. And then there is a lot more that you can add to your trading tools, but just try as a beginner. If you are a beginner, for the advanced, there is always additional stuff that they can add. But as a beginner, just try to learn and understand why those zones are actually so important, because this is not just a line where the price is touching. There is the sentiment in those zones. So you have to understand that this is, as I said, this is not just a line, where the price just is touching and then moving away from it. There is a reason why those zones are so important, and we talk in our previous videos about support and resistance. But we're gonna make more videos if you guys want. As you can see, I'm forwarding the video, and we entered the trade already. The price almost actually reached this buffer zone and then went back up, so that's why we decided to enter the trade. We set our take profit and stop loss. As you can see, we usually set our stop loss few pips below the previous low. In this time, we put a little pretty conservative. And now I'm forwarding the video again. We always set our stop loss on profit, guys. This is something that we always do. We like to be more conservative and secure our profits, because we like to enter the trade, the trend couple times. As you saw in our previous videos, we like to close our position and then reinvest our profits in another position. Now here we have a very good looking candle, and we feel pretty comfortable with this trade, but we might close this one, because we don't like to keep a trade overnight, because it really makes you feel calm when you go to sleep. And there is other thing. As you can see, this huge movement, the bearish movement. You're never gonna try and catch it from the top to the bottom. Everybody wants to do that. I mean, don't get me wrong, we want to do that as well, but this is impossible. Or even if you catch it once, this is just you got lucky. Most of the time what you're gonna be doing is you're gonna enter the trade maybe a little later than you were supposed to, or maybe a little earlier. You're gonna close your position earlier, but most important thing is collect your profits and then reinvest them in another position. So that's for us the most important thing. And as you can see right here, the price it's kind of feeling difficult, having a difficulty breaking through this price right now. And now we most likely want to close this position, and then we're gonna be looking for another one where we can enter the market again. But as I said, we're in a good profit. We already set our stop loss on profit. We're not that far from our take profit, but still there is movement to be made, and we're gonna, like I said, most likely we're gonna close this trade. But let's see what the price is doing before we decide. And yep, we are closing the trade, guys. Yep, I'm closing the trade right here. And as you can see now, this is actually on the next day. As you can see, it's another candle, and we opened a new trade. We already set our take profit and stop loss, and the reason why we took this trade here is we have a beautiful engulfing candle. We talked about the engulfing candle in the previous videos, but I'm just gonna repeat it real quick right now. When we have, for example, we had a bearish movement and then we get a big green candle, which is what we like to call it engulfing candle. So basically the body of the previous candle is smaller than the one that it's the next one, the green one. Basically that's what that's what it means, engulfing candle. So we had a nice support, then we have engulfing candle. So those are all stuff that give us confirmation, and make us feel comfortable with taking this trade. So basically that's what we did. That's why we took this trade. We set our stop loss, you know, little bit under you know, the engulfing candle, and our take profit is basically pretty much the same where it was. I'm forwarding the video again, and here, as you can see, we had the beautiful movement, really nice candle, and almost actually it hit our take profit. If some of you are wondering why our take profit it's not hit, because basically it looks like it's already on it. Like you guys know, or if you don't, I'll let you know, the spreads. So basically, in order for our take profit to be hit, the price has to, you know, go a little bit above our take profit. So this is gonna trigger, you know, our take profit, and our position is gonna be closed. So this is you know, something to know, and don't be surprised when that happened to you. But that was pretty much it, guys, for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like the video, you know, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, so you guys help us you know, make some more good quality videos for you. And I really hope we're helping you in your trading, and you can use some of our tips in your trading. Thank you so much. Bye bye.